welcome to the wild world of real estate in Chicago, where the only thing more unpredictable than the weather is getting your offer accepted. Picture this, you just submitted what you thought was the perfect offer. Your hopes are sky high, your fingers are crossed, and then bam, rejection again. It's like getting stood up from prom all over again. You could almost hear that dramatic music playing in the background as your heart sinks. Well, in the cutthroat world of Chicago real estate, it sometimes feels like everyone's out there crushing your dreams, right? One minute you're envisioning yourself enjoying a deep dish pizza in your new kitchen, and the next thing you're back to scrolling through listings, searching for the next potential home. But real estate is all about persistence. Just like the city, resilient spirit, you got to get up, draft a stronger offer, and just keep pushing forward. It's a little bit like dating sometimes. You have to kiss a few frogs before you find your prince or princess. And remember, in the grand saga of buying a home, every rejection is just a plot twist leading you to the perfect home coming soon. So next time your offer doesn't get accepted, just remember, you're one step closer to finding that perfect home in the Windy City. So if you're navigating the highs and lows of Chicago real estate, don't forget to laugh and learn and keep moving forward. And hey, for more tips and a bit of real estate wisdom, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe on my page, because at the end, it's all about making those dreams come true, one offer at a time. I'm Hugo with Coldwell Banker. I am your local real estate expert in Lakeview, Chicago, and we serve all of Chicagoland and the suburbs. So if you have any questions in buying or selling, call me at 773-550-4846.